Hi, this is Molly from Student Legal Services with important information about getting repairs made for your off-campus housing. Tenants should notify their landlords in writing about repairs needed to the property. You give notice of repairs for two reasons. One, because you want the issue to be repaired. And two, because you do not want to be liable for any further damages caused if you don't notify your landlord after you notice something needs repaired. Under Ohio law, you need to give your landlord actual notice that something needs repaired. Actual notice means it must be in writing. We have a sample notice to repair on our website, which can be found at studentlegal.osu.edu/offcampus. If your landlord has an online portal where you are supposed to make repair or maintenance requests, you should use that. Take screenshots of the request screen and the screen after you've submitted the request, and keep a copy of those screenshots. We recommend you also follow up in writing via email, text message, or mail with our notice to repair to be sure that you have documentation that the notice was sent. Sometimes notices go missing in the online portals. If your landlord asks you to make the maintenance request by telephone, always follow up in writing. Keep copies of everything. You want to keep copies of any notices you send to your landlord and their response, if any. After your landlord receives notice of your request, under Ohio law, the landlord has a reasonable time not to exceed 30 days to make the repairs. If the issue is an emergency, like having no heat in the winter or no water at the property, the time the landlord has to make repairs shortens. The clock starts running when you give written notice, so it is very important that you provide the written notice as soon as possible. Note that when your landlord is coming into your property to make repairs or for anything else, unless it is an emergency or you have consented for them to enter, they must give you 24 hours written notice. If your landlord consistently enters your property without this notice, please schedule an appointment with Student Legal Services. If you have questions about getting repairs, or if the landlord has not responded to your repair requests, this is a great reason to schedule an appointment to speak to a Student Legal Services attorney. You can schedule on our website at studentlegal.osu.edu. You can also call or text us with questions at 614-247-5853.